am your personal emergency response system. 7. Before commencing your installation, it is important to ensure that you have read the supplied installation and user guide. I am going to assist you with the install process. Please make sure your monitoring information is set up. If there is a problem at any stage of the install process, you can press the cancel button to hear how to turn me off until you are ready to start again. When you are ready to start, please press the help button. Please wait while I connect to the cellular network. The cellular signal is good. Connection successful. Let's test the range of your pendant. Your pendant will flash red each time the range test is successful. It is necessary to perform at least 7 tests around your home and garden. Press your pendant to start testing. 1. When you have completed testing the range of your pendant, please press the Help button. Now let's perform a full system test by sending an alert. When you press your pendant button, a loud pre-alarm will sound. Press your pendant now. Your alert is being sent. Your alert has been received. You will be contacted soon. Your personal emergency response system has been set up successfully. Well done!